Welcome to the ultimate guide on how merchants can maximise their Black Friday sales using the power of Bundle Builder. To stand out in the crowd, you need a competitive edge, and that's where Bundle Builder comes into play. In this video, we'll show you how to create irresistible offers for your customers. By utilising the power of Bundle Builder, you are not only increasing your average order value, but also creating a delightful shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive in. First off, let's create a captivating bundle name so your customers know how much they can save. Bundle Builder allows you to create customized offers by combining different products, offering tiered discounts, and reducing the total price as customers buy more. Customers love a good deal, and tiered discounts are a perfect way to make them feel like they are getting more value. You can set conditions for a minimum spend and create eye-catching images for your bundles. You can add in discount images into the bundle description so your customers can clearly see what they are saving. You can do this by simply copying the link from your content section. Using the bundle URL, you can share your bundles all across your social media platforms and marketing emails. You can even add them into announcement bars across your store for your customers to easily find. Enhance your customers' Black Friday shopping experience by incorporating your exclusive Black Friday bundles into a dedicated Black Friday collection. This way, customers can effortlessly explore a curated selection of unbeatable deals in one place. Your customers will thank you.